Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use any iPad basically with a signal function generator as an AC inverter. That's right, a lot of people don't know this, but you can use basically any any amplifier circuit as an AC inverter if you feed it with a signal source. So I thought, why not just use the built-in audio amplifier of devices like cell phones or your iPad even on a function generator application. So here it is. Function generator, you can specify your frequency settings, waveform, volume, and what I did is on the headphone out I made my own cable here, which goes very simple here. I'm using the right side, so on the plus I've got basically a small gating diode which directs these pulses into this big AC transformer here, and on the secondary high voltage side I simply have my voltmeter here on the AC setting 50 volts just to show how this works. So basically we can do a lot of interesting projects as long as it requires a low power, low current AC. We can get an AC waveform with just any cell phone, any device that has a function generator audio. So we're going to turn this on. So right now I'm going to set it. I'm going to start it at 20 Hertz. So 20 Hertz on the app here. And as you see on the voltmeter, we got a little bit, something around 5 volts AC. It's coming back. So we're going to change these settings here. Let's go on 63 Hertz. That helped it a bit. So by doing this we could actually find out the sweet spot of the transformer's resonating point here. So it will help anyways. Almost 50 volts. So I'm 9 volts right now. We're getting AC at frequency 63 Hertz with the iPad. So let's go 125 Hertz. That helps. Now we're at 10 volts. So let's skip to 1K for fun here. 1K. Look at that. We're at 15 volts now. So let's go to 2K. It went up again, almost 20 volts now. Let's go 4K. Now we're at 20 volts. 6.4K. 25 volts. And you can actually hear the transformer here resonating at the audio frequency pulse of our function generator. So this is actually working quite well. Here's the diode right there. And now we're getting a solid 25 volts AC. So if you were to rectify this back to DC, you would get more on the DC side. So you could probably easily get, along with voltage multipliers, which is very interesting as these work on the AC only. But since we've got an AC compatible signal with an iPad as a generator, it's very interesting because we can build multiplier circuits and bring this voltage up to 100 volts if we really need it, or use more step-up transformers and get the voltage we want. So here is really cool. With the program we can change waveform settings. Square wave seems to work best. Let's go right here. Regular sine wave. But as you see, it's not as much, so let's change the settings. So this is really interesting for experimentation as well. So just thought I'd let you all know that this works. Should also work on cell phones. You'll get a lot more voltage if you use your if this goes to an amplified speaker output, even a multimedia one, you'll get a lot of voltage. Just use any transformer, go on the primary low voltage side like I did here, and on your secondary high voltage side you're gonna get some interesting results. I hope you like. Thanks for watching.